By the time the storm eased, parts of the drainage basin had received between 12 and 14 inches of rain in less than 4 hours. This single event dropped more than 3/4 of the area's average annual precipitation. In the lower reaches of the canyon, the skies remained dry and deceptively calm. Families sat on porches, campers prepared food, and no one realized that a massive surge of water was building miles away. The steep and narrow shape of the upper canyon acted like a funnel, concentrating the runoff into a roaring torrent.